Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone Face ID not working. If you're using any iPhone and your Face ID is not working, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. The first phase that you have to open up your settings, and here you have to go ahead to your Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode, and here you'll get the Face ID section. You just have to set up your Face ID from here, or if you are not able to set up your Face ID, so let's see how can you fix that here. The first way is that you have to make sure that you haven't any update available, because sometimes it might be that your system have any update pending, so it might affect all of the features of your phone. So you must have to make sure that you haven't any update available, or if you have, you have to download and install it on your phone. Once you have that, you just have to go back and then retry. Or if you're still having the same issues, now what you have to do, you just have to go ahead to your general and then scroll down and look for transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. So here you just have to enter your passcode. It will reset all your settings, because sometimes it might be that you have enabled or disabled any settings, so it might be affecting your Face ID. So you must have to reset all of your settings. It will not delete your data. So you can easily try this. After entering your passcode, your phone will restart and your all setting will be reset it. But if it's not set your problem, so now what you have to do, you just have to make a force to restart your phone. So you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your screen goes fully black. So let's try this. Quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone screen goes fully black. It might take a while, so you must have to wait for it. And once you get the black screen, you must have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it's turned on back. Once your phone restarts, you just have to unlock your device and here try to set up your Face ID. Or if you have set it up your Face ID but it is not working on your lock screen or to unlock app, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. You just have to open up your Face ID and passcode setup, and here you have to enter up your passcode and you just need to enable the toggles. So once you have enabled the toggles, you can easily unlock your iPhone, iTunes and App Store, contactless and payments, and password and autofills using your Face ID. So that's how you can easily fix if your Face ID is not working on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.